Hello, I'm here to set you up with a perfect version of Heretic, one that looks great in every way. If you guys remember the Heretic HD PBR Pack from 2021, this made Heretic look absolutely beautiful. If you scroll down and I click on the picture here, look at how amazing everything looked. But I'm going to show you what you get if you load it today. Now note what he says, for the high-res textures to work correctly you have to use the version of GZ Doom supplied with a mod. Well, none of us actually do that because I've got Delta Touch with the latest GZ Doom on my phone and I've got the latest GZ Doom on my Linux, and I'm not about to change it. Okay, now you see these guys are just regular sprites, so I'm going to go ahead and massacre them, so I don't have to deal with them. So right now I can show you a little something. None of these high-res textures work. The textures and the flats don't work at all, but the materials work, which is why as I pan left and right, you can see a little reflective light coming off the wall. If I go along the wall like this, you can tell how it's got that fake 3D effect. It's nice because it really makes the stones and everything else stand out. But why isn't it working? It only takes a little bit of tweaking. Oh yeah, you can see the reflectiveness over here in the metal on the door. Okay, I've just gone ahead and unzipped this file, and it is pretty big, but you're going to have to download it if you want it. Now what you need to do is go into Data and Heretic. Take these two folders, pull them out of there, go back to this folder here that says High Res, double click that, and just drop them in this folder. That's it. Pack repaired. That's literally all you have to do. Okay, you just want to highlight everything in the root folder and right click, go to compress, and turn it into a zip file. The thing is, I already did this because it took a couple of minutes, so I'm taking this zip out and I'm going to leave it right here and close this and delete that folder. The next thing is you're going to need Brutal Heretic. I'm going to go ahead and extract this here because instead of high-res sprites, we're going to be using high-res models. But the model pack requires Brutal Heretic to work. Now, in your HD textures, you're going to have a texture pack. Do not delete that. We're going to need that for something. But you are going to need Brutal Heretic and possibly the music pack. I tested it and it sounds much better than the original. There was an older version of Brutal Heretic RPG which actually came out with a 3D pack, and that's what I'm going to need you to download. It took me days to find this link. So, we're going to need to extract that. It shouldn't take too long. Good. Now, you're going to go into the pack and go into the high-res folder and just delete the flats and textures. You don't need these. Leave everything else alone. Now, I'm going to name this something I'm going to remember. That way I don't get these mixed up. Oh, nice. Okay. So I'm going to take this file out, close this, delete the folder, and we have everything we need now. Okay, so my load order is Brutal Heretic RPG, then the PBR pack, then the models, then the music pack, and then the flashlight, because heck, you need your flashlight. This should take a little longer to load. Well, I guess it's not too bad. Oh yeah. Okay, you should see 3D monsters now. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just murder them all really quick so I can look at this stuff. Check out the nice high quality 3D floating objects. I don't know why they're doing that flashing, but I haven't really adjusted the graphic settings enough in here probably. Barrels are nice looking now. Oh yeah, you can see the light reflections in the water. This weapon, for some reason the 3D model is not working, but the rest of them they do work. Okay, I'm going back into the Brutal Heretic folder. I'm going to go in the HD textures, and I've already unzipped this, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the flats and the textures and delete them. Now I'm going to go back up here to this level. No, wait. Okay, is this the root? That's the root. Okay, right click and go to compress. Okay, I'm going to need this a little later. Now I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to go back into the sprites for a second. I'm going to go edit and select all. Scroll down to the gauntlet textures. Since I can't have 3D models, I'm just going to use sprites. Okay, just hit delete. Great. Now go back up here to the root. Highlight these again. Go to compress. And just call this gauntlet. Okay, now we're going to have HD gauntlets. Nice. Okay, I just at least want to make it to the mummies, which should just take a second here. I feel like the Emperor when I'm using these. Okay, I've just switched this over to Hexeretic Fantasy, which comes with these 3 files, and I've got this on the PBR pack, but I switched it over to sprites because, like I said, the 3D models require Brutal Heretic. Ah, what the heck, I just threw an obsidian wad and a killer chicken on there. Let's see how this thing goes. Okay, a little bit of lag there. Probably because I'm recording. Yeah, these textures are looking beautiful, but the sprites didn't take for some reason, I think. Oh, hell no, I don't want to get cornered. That's the other cool thing about this is you get these NPCs that'll sell you stuff. I only have like 5 coins right now, so I'm not buying nothing for that. I figured out something. The sprite pack works, you just have to turn off Hexeretic Fantasy. It's got an incompatibility. The chicken's the real killer. This is just a quick note, but very important. In order to see the reflections, do not use OpenGL 2.0. If you're on Delta Touch in GZ Doom, you have to use at least OpenGL 3.2. If you're on Linux or Windows, make sure you're using Vulkan. Okay, I'm going to stop right now. I'm having too much fun. That chicken's such a badass. I just wanted to show you guys how to run my favorite 2 ways to play Heretic, which is Brutal Heretic RPG and Hexeretic Fantasy. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. You guys have a good night.